Hello students, today I am going to explain you an interesting poem geography lesson. It has been composed by Zulfikar Ghosh. There are 3 stanzas in this poem. In this poem, the poet describes the scene of the city and the country from an aeroplane flying high. So let's start now. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. In this stanza, the poet says, when the jet took off, the sky was clear. The poet looked out from the window. The city looked neatly planned, but on ground it looked without any style or order. It had numerous lanes and houses without any style or symmetry, but on seeing it from above the ground, it looks well planned and well designed. Next, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted men was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the aeroplane flew at height of 10,000 feet above the sea level, he looked below and realized the logic of geography. It became clear to him why the cities in every country are situated on the river banks. Secondly, the pupil lived near of the valleys. This is the level land between the hills. Land and water attracted pupil. Next, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. When the plane rose as high above the ground as 6 miles, the earth looked round. Secondly, it had more sea than land. The poet understood the reasons why it was so, but he could not see any logic behind the division of land by raising walls of bricks and hatred. Why the people kill one another? In fact, the poet want to say that it is easy to understand the logic of geography from the height, but it is very difficult to understand why humans hate one another. This remains mystery. Okay, so I think you will have understood the poem. Okay, thanks.